Good evening, sir, and welcome to the Story Talks episode number 12. And our question for today is, how can startup founders utilize storytelling in pitching to investors?
Okay, so first of all, I would say to understand the basics of PowerPoint or PPT storytelling, I would recommend that you watch the episode 11 because those basics I have discussed in episode 11. So I would not like to repeat. Here I am going to focus more from the investor point of view. What is your investor interested in? You have to understand that. What drives you? Investor wants to know. Will your passion last? How committed are you to the project? Have you put your personal capital? So what is your commitment if the business fails? Will you immediately withdraw? What is the kind of commitment that you have? How co-founders complement each other. This is a very interesting thing. I have met so many, co-founders where one co-founder is, very good at technology, the technical side, or maybe, the finance, HR, the domain side. And the other co-founder is very good at sales and marketing, which is a very important part of a startup or business. So if the co-founders complement each other in these skills, then the investors also get confident that their business will succeed. Now, there are some more points, and like, for example, show your perseverance through a story. Investors know that, entrepreneurship can be a very tough journey. So do you have enough perseverance? Then I would say create credibility with founders, education, experience, etc. If founder is from a very good college, if founder has foreign education, if the founders have, experience in a very good organization. So all these things, now this is all data. We will talk, how to weave it into a story. Then talk about your team. Maybe sometimes, besides the founder, your team also has a lot of strengths which you want to highlight. Other team members or employees. Then maybe your advisory board is very strong. You have some very strong connections which you would like to highlight. Now, this is basically data, whether it is founders data, advisory board data, team data. Now all this data has to be interwoven into our story. So basically you have to, tell your story to the investor. Why did we start this company? What are we doing right now? What makes us sure that we will succeed? And what is the future of our organization? Maybe, one of the strategies can be you create tension, towards the end of the story. And, you say that, okay, we have done a great job, but to get to the next level, we need an investor. So you create that tension, and then, you put the ball in the investor's court that, okay, we are, maybe we are stagnant or we need funds to grow. And now the ball is in your court. So that can be a good ending to your presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was very insightful.